Good morning, dear friends, respected teachers, and sir. Today I am going to explain you on the topic of Geography ICSE course, chapter number 5, Natural and Man-made Disaster. So, before we start explaining this chapter, disaster, let us know about what is disaster. Disaster is a calamity which strikes the building and the houses and become the scarcity of food and water, and it is risky for human life and the environment. So disaster is differentiated into two. First is natural disaster and second is man-made disaster. So first of all, natural disaster. What is natural disaster? So natural disaster are the disaster which are caused by natural forces. So the example of natural disaster are: first is earthquake, second is tsunami, third is flood, and fourth is wildfire. Then man-made disaster. Man-made disaster are the disaster which is caused by human activities. So first example is accident and second is oil spill. So let us know one by one about these examples. So first, natural disaster, earthquake. So what is earthquake? So earthquake is a calamity in which earth releases pent up energy and causes ground to shake or earth to shake. Most of the earthquake is formed because of the earth is made up of large plates which are known as tectonic plates. When these plates rub against each other, they take the form of earthquake. Then is tsunami. So what is tsunami? Tsunami is a huge wave because this is because of underwater explosion or underwater volcanic eruption or earthquake. Then floods. So flood is the overflow of water which covers the earth and also strikes the buildings and industries. This causes a loss of human life and more. Because of no storage of water, it takes the form of a flood. Then wildfire. So wildfire is a condition in which the forest burns because of in the summer season more energy is released in the deforested areas. Then man-made disaster. First is accident. So why accident is a man-made disaster? Because it is a loss of human life. Anything in which loss of human life is there, this is known as disaster. Then second is oil spill. So oil spill is the condition in which the transport, when the transport of oil is done, then some of the liquid petroleum is released in the sea or ocean. This is known as oil spill. So how does oil spill affect the environment and its people? This affect the people, birds or mammals, by when the birds come to the seas or oceans to drink the water, then these oil which are there or mixed in the sea, that will cover in the feathers of mammals or the birds. This will cause an huge effect of a disease which is known as hypothermia. In this, the bird is blind, and now the predator who eats this bird or mammals, they can be easily killed. Then one more question comes in flood, that why Bihar is a flood prone area. So Bihar is a flood prone area because the mountainous region of Nepal. It share its boundary with the mountainous region of Nepal. So while the heavy rain occurs in mountainous region or eastern region or northern region of the Nepal, it flows through the drainages of Bhagmati, Narayani and Kosi rivers, which break down the banks of Bihar, and this cause is the reason why Bihar is a flood prone area. So I hope you understood the chapter very well. Thank you.